live in the Midwest, and because of that, I do not pay attention to weather reports during winter because they always get the projections wrong. I gave up on them. And I remember when it happened. It was one January where I was watching, and they said, oh, we got a blizzard coming. We're getting 8 inches of snow, 8 inches. And then we got around 5 inches. And that's why I think every meteorologist should be a woman. Because if a woman tells you you're getting 8 inches, God damn it, you are getting 8 inches. Yes, only a man would tell you you're getting 8 inches when he means around 5. It's a very male thing to do.